Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be going over the patent bred Jordan 1s. While I know a lot of people would have preferred for these to not be patent leather and just, kind of regular material, it is patent leather, and I feel like still a good amount of people like these ones. Obviously, hence why Nike has made a fair amount of stock of these. They're at a fair amount of stores. Doesn't mean they'll be necessarily easy to get though, so let's just get into the screen record and discussing how you all can cop these. So if you guys want more content just like this video right here, subscribe and like down below. Check my Instagrams. Again, all that is down there in the description, and don't forget to like goal on this video. Let's make it like 250 likes, since I know some people are going to watch this, so if you can drop a like, I'd appreciate that. Helps the video get out there a bit more, and helps your boy's channel. So thank you all for everybody that comments, appreciates it. You don't have to appreciate a YouTube video, it's free content. Let's just get into it. So first things first, you guys can see it's $170 retail, and also you can see it's dropping on December 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So you all know right there, the $170 retail. Thank you Nike, thank you Snkrs, thank you everybody under the team right there that did not mark up the retail on these ones to like 190 or 200 just because it's a more hyped release. I know $200 Jordan 1s are usually only for collabs, 85s, and for a couple other specific types of Jordan 1s, but this one right here, they definitely could have made it more expensive just because, they wanted to, just like they did with the Lightning 4s. They made those ones $220 because they knew the demand behind them. They probably made a good amount off those, I'm pretty sure. But again, looking at the other aspects of it, most of Nike's money really comes from regular clothing sales, not these type of shoe releases that they do. But again, aside from that, actually looking at the patent leather and the details on the shoe, don't forget it's also dropping in grade school sizes, which will be very good to go for if you're trying to resell this shoe. Again, I know a lot of you probably watching this video may just want this shoe to wear. My personal taste, I won't be getting this one to wear just because I'm not like a huge fan of patent leather Jordan 1s. That's just me. It is a dope colorway though. I'm not ignoring that. I'm not throwing no diss or nothing to these. This is a very well done pair. I love the patent breds. Colorway's clean. So yeah, you can see it's a little bit more shiny. That's just like the main thing I want to mention. It's very, very shiny. You can even see the person's camera right here. I'm pretty sure it's the camera on the shoe right there. Just like the glare, you can see, because again, it is these are also the crease masters. You can't forget that patent leather Jordan 1s crease fairly easily from what I know. Let me know if I'm wrong on that in the comment section. Anybody that owns any patent leather Jordan 1s, anybody that's big on them, let me know if they crease easily, because I'm pretty sure they're like most ones. Ones tend to crease easily. I gotta be real. I own ones and know that. So yeah, another thing too, again, just looking at the big kid sizes. Again, if you're trying to resell, they'll be worth it to go for. They all drop at the same time. They're dropping all sizes, don't forget. If you got toddlers, even infants, bro. If you got infants, I've never seen this before. Infant sizes, this is new to me. This is a whole new market. So I'm talking like, if you got somebody that is, how many months would this be, Like 12 months? Let me know if I'm wrong on that. Like 8 to 12 months? Then there you go. Your 8 to 12 month old can be fresher than the average 13-year-old kid, or 35-year-old man, whatever demographic or age group you want to say they're fresher than. But yeah, aside from those random details on the shoe, the resell, or not the resell, but the retail, how they look, it's a clean look. Again, it's still a great looking shoe. The patent breds, they did their thing. It's about how it should look, and yeah, they did it. So I love how these look, but for me, personal taste, no. However, am I going to resell these ones? Absolutely. I'll be going for these ones to resell. So let's get into that. So first things first, since there is looking like a fair amount of stock for these ones will be dropping in the future, I want to actually discuss that, since again, FOOTSITES are going to be carrying this one. A lot of in-store raffles, not many raffles online, but I'm talking about like, FOOTSITES dropping this one online. Not like, it's not a raffle type of drop for them. They're just dropping it through a regular release, which means that this one will get bought at a fair amount. But there's also a fair amount of in-store raffle entries with Foot Locker, places like that. And looking at the market right now, again, it's holding pretty high right now, right around a range of $400 to $500, with kind of 8.5 going for $400, and then anything like 11 plus you can see is kind of creeping a little bit more towards the range of $500. But sizes like 12 and 11 that tend to have higher stock in bigger sizes are going for less than the rest of the other ones. So my personal resale estimation on these ones, again, and this could be wrong, I think these ones will drop a fair amount, because again, I've seen all the places that these ones are potentially dropping or are dropping. Not a small list. Not a small list, really. All the regular places, like, the list is not very small. So my personal resale estimation, if again this one isn't botted too heavily, I don't think this is a brick by any means, so don't forget, this is still going to be my resale estimation right here, $300 to $400, and I will put a plus. And that is a big range because, again, you can see what the range is right now. It's like an $100 price spread amongst the sizes. So it depends on really what size you get. And I put a plus on the 400 because, again, these could hold market and stay at what they're at. Or, again, they could drop. I don't think they'll drop below $300. I do not think that's happening. For a colorway like this, patent leather Jordan 1, I don't see these below $300. So I put $300 at the lowest I see these going. But in that $300 to $400 range, I think is totally realistic. I think we'll definitely see 8, 8.5 fall below into that range once, more people get their sizes and realize that people on StockX are not going to be paying that. They're not going to do it. So especially with those fees and everything, if they're still buying something off StockX for $350 after fees and everything, you're still paying like $400. Don't forget that. That's StockX little finesse that I love right there. They're like, oh yeah, no, the price is $350 after fees and shipping and our processing fee. So you're really paying like $410. It's great. It's great, especially on more expensive shoes. I mean, get your bag. I respect it, but yeah, CEO's a billionaire because of it. Or didn't he sell the company? I don't remember. But now you know my resale estimation. We are off topic. Let's hone back into the video right here. So yeah, aside from that, a couple other tips I want to give on this one again with copying this release off Snkrs. One more thing I want to mention too. I have these 2 videos, of course, you can check out, link down below, that can help you out. I'll explain them. Like this one again shows you just some recent tips and tricks I've been using to help me cop more often, so check that out. And this one shows you how to make multiple accounts in Snkrs. That's like the best way to cop, is having more than one account. And another, again, I want to get and discuss a couple other new tips. Don't forget, you can always enter for grade school and adult sizes on the same account, so don't forget. I usually tend to forget that a lot, where I will only enter in adult sizes for a drop, and I just forget that grade school sizes exist. It's a terrible thing to forget, so just tend to remember that, there's always those there. And the grade school sizes are going to be doing good. We can actually, I'll hop into resale real quick for those, since again, you know what these videos are for. They'll be there down below so you guys can check those out. But I'll discuss grade school resale real quick since I forgot to mention those. It's right here. Now, this is completely unrealistic in my opinion. This is the most wild resale I've ever seen for some grade school pairs. It's like the Oreo 4 resale. You can see not a lot of sales, under 500 sales. So I think once we have this one released on Snkrs, have all the places release that grade school stock, I think this one will probably drop down to a range of 220 to 270, and I will put a plus in the 270 because, again, maybe a 6.5Y, 5.5Y, those kind of half sizes right there, maybe those could stay above 275 and kind of be at a $300 price range. It is possible that these ones stay at a very high price at first, but again, it depends on total stock. I think these are going to have a fair amount of stock, so I could be wrong on this resale estimation, but again, that's why I just want to stress, make sure you enter in both sizes for this drop, adult size runs and grade school size runs when you're on Snkrs, because you do not want to miss out on it, whether you just want to get it for whoever it may be, or for resale. It's a lot of money, and obviously getting it for retail is cheaper than resale, and the profit's there. So if you want the money, you can get it there. If you hit though, we got to see how the numbers will be. So a couple other things I want to mention. I want to give a shout out right here to my guys at Secret Sauce. As always, their $60 monthly fee. I've been working with them for a while, and again, they helped me cop the Snkrs in a size 13. They helped me cop the Soulfly Jordan 1 lows in a size 7.5. Those are just a couple of my recent cops in the last week. They've helped me, complete. And of course, there's always been other success I've been having in the group with them copping me stuff, from PS5s, different slots, things like that. So, it's really a dope system. And again, if you're any member in the chat, like, this isn't just me like having some sort of exclusive access. Like, any member has access to the info that I get, any of the ticket opportunities that I have with people running bots for them. So if you're interested in that, having people run bots for you, check out, check out some of this recent success. Like, people are always hitting in the group, doing well, finding plays that are kind of low key. And you can see, like, look at this find right here, Mocha Lows. That's a good find, and you can see success right here, especially for the Snkrs. I wish I could have shown everything that was going on in the group yesterday, but there's some consoles right there, so you can see if you're looking for a console for retail, whatever it may be. Again, they're all right here. So if you want to, join this group, just send them a message on Twitter. Be like, yo, Tristan sent me. How can I get in? Or, just follow their Instagrams. Wait till they drop invites again. They're very helpful. If you have any questions about their group, you can ask it in the comment section. I'm always there to help you all out about them. And they're a great cook group. I've been using them. And, well, size 13 Snkrs ones speaks for itself. That's a very rare size. And, I got straight through the queue, checked out at like 11 o'clock. Pretty crazy. That was my 4th pair of Snkrs ones. So yeah, shout out to them. But also, I'm going to link this down below right here. These 2 articles again. Actually, I'm not going to link this one. This one right here, the Raffles Snkrs one. this is completely inaccurate. They're like, oh, there's no raffles going on for the shoe. But you literally go to the House of Heat article right here. You can look it up, House of Heat article, Patent Bred Jordan 1. And you can see there's plenty of places releasing this one. The best places for manual users, JD Sport, DTLR. I would also go with probably, again, don't forget about Foot Locker and Champs and Eastbay. I think they might be doing in-store raffle entries, so you want to check out all these places, see if they're doing in-store raffle entries. Go enter in these raffles right here. I'm going to go see if these guys have raffles going on, see if these places have, any in-store raffles. I'll check Foot Patrol as well. So make sure you just check this article link down below and see if these places have drops. Like, all these drops are confirmed right here, so you can see fair amount of stock, as I mentioned. And yeah, that's everything I need to mention. And the Foot Locker one's counting down, so just make sure you check. It says store only. So again, with that in mind, we might have some FLX. So if there's FLX, go and turn that. Which there should be. This is a big release, so I wouldn't see why they wouldn't do that. But that's everything we need to mention about how y'all could cop the Air Jordan 1 Patent Bred. Hopefully enough information to help you all out. Again, any questions you got down below, ask them. I'm there to help you all get this release, anything you need, because your boy's going to be getting some pairs for sure. And again, you want to check my Instagram, subscribe, like, goals 250 likes on this video, so I'd appreciate if you could hit that. That'd go a long way, because, it does support my channel, and I appreciate you all. So, yeah, I need to invest in some crypto. I've been continuing to do that. But I need to save my money so I can actually keep doing the shoe release stuff. I've been spending a lot of my money on that, but it's been working out. Not a bad thing. So, I'm ending the screen recording. Yet you could probably see it on the screen right there, but I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully catch you on the next video. Peace.